In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have commenced the chapter that is known as neurolinguistics. Neurolinguistics is the study of the relationship between brain and language. Listeners and audience, today I am going to teach you one of the important parts of the brain that is known as left frontal lobe. Left frontal lobe is the part of the brain that is located behind the forehead to the left side. Listeners and audience, remember that it is considered one of the important parts of the brain because it is responsible for speech and language production. It is responsible to make sentences, correct form and well formed sentences. It means whatever language we are going to speak, it is because of the left frontal lobe. When we are talking about the functions of the left frontal lobe, the first one is speech production. It means when we are sharing information, we are speaking to each other, we are making grammatical or other conversational sentences with each other, it is because of left frontal lobe, and that is the first function. Remember that if this area is damaged, so then there will be a disease or a disorder known as Broca aphasia. Such kind of patient will be able to understand and comprehend but will not be able to produce correct sentences or normally speaking sentences. That's why this part of the area is also known as Broca area, and Broca area is also even inside in it. The second function is logical thinking. Logical thinking means whenever we are having arguments with our friends, we are debating with our friends, this part of the area help us to provide such arguments, such information which convince, persuade, and particularly uh, that a person accept your arguments. So this part of the area is also try to convince and persuade other people with arguments and proofs. Critical thinking. Critical thinking here means this area is responsible for the finding a solution of a problem. There can be a problem, for example, you are trying to resolve a mathematic questions, or you are trying to, there is a social problem in the society. So this part of the area tries to find out a valid solution of the problem. So we can also say that it is responsible for making a solution to a problem, to find a good, a best and valid solution. Remember that inside in the left frontal lobe there is a motor cortex. What is the function of the motor cortex? Motor cortex actually the body balance the body and sends the message uh, in the movement of the body. It also helps to move the body properly. There is very interesting information here. You know, the left frontal lobe helps to control our right side of the body. For example, if I am raising my right hand, so my right hand functions, my right body, that is controlled by left frontal lobe. So again, if this part of the area is damaged, not only speech production will be affected, badly. Similarly, half of the body of human will be paralyzed, and it will not be possible to work his or her body properly. Similarly, it has emotional control. Whenever you are happy or you are sad, this part of the area make and create a balance in your emotions. But again, if this part of the area was disturbed, of the brain was disturbed, then human being will be always in depression, anxiety and tension. And I already told you about the damage to it. If it was damaged, so definitely there will be a problem of speech production, there will be problem of control on emotions, and there will be a problem on the movement of the body as well. It means half of the body of human will be paralyzed. So hope that now you know about left frontal lobe or Broca area. Thank you.